Hey partner, welcome to the awesome ecosystem. Today, we're doing a complete step-by-step walkthrough of our brand new co-branded partner dashboard. This tool gives you full operational control over your client portfolio, onboarding steps, and visual settings, all in one place. Let's take a look. When you log into your dashboard, the first thing you'll see is your centralized client directory. This gives you a high-level view of every business you manage, including active client counters, verification tasks, and items renewing soon. To bring a new business into your account, you'll simply have to click Add Client. But first, head to the profile and select the About tab. Fill in your company name, registration number, industry code, address, website, among other details, and save them. This will not only help us get you better, but keep our collaboration seamless too. Next, select the Team tab to add team members. Enter their name, role, email, and phone number. They'll automatically get an invite to the portal where they can simply verify their identity and get access to the partner dashboard. Now head on over to the Branding tab. Here, you can set up a custom subdomain hosted by us or even plug in your firm's private domain. You can add your logo, customize the fonts, and even the color that completes your brand. If you're regulated in Singapore, Hong Kong, UAE, or the UK, head on to Settings to verify that. Just select your regulator, for instance, MAS for Singapore, upload your license or supporting document, and fill in your expiration date. We'll verify it in the background. And now you can start selling. Simply click Add Client on the Clients page. Select your target branch, choose your service type, say you choose incorporation. Under Basic Details, enter the partner user's legal name, phone number, and matching business email address, and select their exact corporate role from the checklist. If you are a certified service provider, you can check this box to clear their KYC yourself by uploading their passport or utility bill directly. Or you can leave it unchecked and let the user handle it later. Once you hit register, the client is securely added to your active list. Click into their profile and you can add specific awesome products like accounting, corporate secretarial, or incorporation packages. In our current layout, partners can handle the payments themselves, ensuring your end user gets a flawless, white glove experience without ever seeing the raw pricing structures or invoices. If your team ever needs an operational hand, tap Profile and open a live discussion with our partnership support team right inside the built-in Chats tab. After all, we are partners in each other's growth. That's the Partner Dashboard, your business backed by Awesome. Thank you for partnering with us.